This is going to be for my larger size ladies. Hi YouTube, it's Adrienne of Adrienne's House, and today I'm just going to do a quick try-on haul, believe it or not, from the brand Skims. Now, clearly, Skims is, where have you been if you haven't heard of Skims? I mean, you have to be living under a rock to have not heard about it. I was kind of on the fence because I don't know. If things get super popular and trendy, I kind of lose all interest and I have to wait till things die down for me to take the plunge. So my first initial reaction that, of course, it was Skims, founded by Kim Kardashian, and in the beginning, of course, it was shapewear. Now, as they started to move on and progress, and then they started making just athleisure, casual clothes. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try this out. So in this video, you're gonna see me wearing, I got one on right now, but it's going to be the Skims, I believe it's new vintage collection. Also, one thing that sparked my interest is that I am what you consider mid-size. I currently am a size 10, and for reference, I am 5'8", but also this is going to be for my larger size ladies. I'm always, I don't want to say self-conscious, but I'm aware of my body shape, of my body type, and I know t-shirts, things that are fitted, have to be definitely a specific material, and I need it to be a little bit longer than your standard size. So when I first got this, not this particular shirt, but when I first purchased something from Skims, it was just their fits everybody tee. That thing was way too short. And then after that, I was like, I'm done with Skims until something remarkable comes through. But when I saw this collection in the newer, longer length, I said, they made that for me. They made that for me. So I went ahead and got 2 colors. So yeah, stay tuned. Here we go on the try on.
All right, guys, so here I am wearing the new vintage tee in the washed onyx. Another thing that I didn't mention is that these tees are both in a size extra large. Now, according to the Skims sizing chart, extra large is for people who are a size 16, have a 41 to 44 inch bust, 35 to 38 inch waist, and hips 44 to 47 inches. So as you can see, the sizing may be a tad bit off. But again, I wanted to be transparent. Honestly, you want your clothes to flatter you. I mean, who cares about the size? Just because it fits doesn't mean that it looks good. So I found that this extra large does skim the body. Now, going back to the actual shirt itself, as you can see, it is longer. Like, even if you raise your arms and reach for the heavens, it's got you covered. One thing is that this is washed onyx, not black. I don't know why I thought that, but it's definitely a dark charcoal. And I would have loved it in jet black. Now, another point to note, I have very broad shoulders, and I would have loved this in a V-neck option. Also, the sleeves are cut a little bit too short to be flattering on me personally. All right, now going back to the shirt, according to the website, it is 92% cotton and 8% spandex, so it's super stretchy. And I know one thing Skims does pride itself on is that if you didn't want to wear a bra with these tees, it has enough support where you really don't have to. But for my larger ladies like myself, yeah, there's no way that I am not going to wear a bra. There's just no way. And even though you can't see it, I'm wearing a white bra in this video on purpose. But this charcoal gray color is super opaque and you can't see the white bra, so that's a good thing. At first, I was horrified when looking back at this footage because this is a racerback style bra, and I was like, why did I wear that? But that's actually a good thing because you can see all the lumps and the bumps. Now, speaking of lumps and bumps, in this next clip with the marble color, if you have any lumps and bumps, you can definitely see that with this light color. Again, marble. It's not a pure white. It's like an off-white. I wouldn't say cream, but it's definitely not pure white, and this one feels a bit different. The marble seems a little thinner than the washed onyx, and of course it still has a longer length. But again, if you have any sort of rolls or any sort of chunkums like I do right here, you're gonna see it in this white one. So again, beware of that. White itself is also an extremely hard color to wear, and it's the least flattering, but you shouldn't be able to actually see that I have on a front hook bra, so that was one thing that I wasn't a fan of. But of course, there are other neutral color tees to choose from this Skims collection, but for this one, it's the length for me. Not all of us wear crop tops and high-waisted jeans all the time. I mean, mid-rise and low-rise is coming back, and a lot of us still want a full-length shirt. So yeah, this longer length for me is a great closet staple.
All right, guys, so that was just kind of like a super quick try-on of the Skims Vintage Long Tee on mid-size and plus-size bodies. Now, I love this charcoal colored one. I'm going to keep the charcoal colored one. Most likely the marble or the cream one will be going back, but yeah, it's excellent for an everyday staple. You can wear it underneath a blazer, or you could just wear it like this with some heels. And yeah, tell me what you think. All right, guys, thanks for watching.